Today I'll be showing you how to make this beach trinket and jewelry dish. Clean your dish with rubbing alcohol, then mix glitter with epoxy and apply. Let it cure for at least 2-3 hours. Then add each color at a time. Add a thin line of clear epoxy to separate the colors from the glitter and allow space for the waves. Use your heat gun to apply heat. This will create the cells. If you want a more opaque color, add another line of white armor art. Let it cure for at least 24 hours. Add another layer of clear epoxy, making sure to stop about ½ inch from the first line. This will create a 2D look. Where the clear epoxy ends, add another line of armor art. Lightly and carefully use your torch and heat gun to create the cells. Add another line if you would like more opaque and thick cells. Let it cure for 24 hours.